Keep in mind, before I proceed, this study was done in a petri dish, in vitro, and in vivo in the animals itself. And it was done through injection. And in order for it to be counted, you have to repeat the study again. However, now I'll proceed. In a research article entitled "Turmeric Compound Boosts Regeneration of Brain Stem Cells," published in Stem Cell Research and Therapy this September 2014, they looked at another compound in turmeric, not the typical type of curcuminoids which we're most familiar with. This was called aromatic turmerone. And what they discovered, first obviously in the petri dish and then through injection, is that it induced neural stem cell proliferation, meaning more, and differentiation. Now it's kind of interesting. This is what they said, quote, "At certain concentration, aromatic turmerone was shown to increase neural stem cell proliferation by up to 80%. It's a pretty high number, without having any impact on cell death, meaning it's not toxic per se to the brain cells. The cell differentiation process also accelerated in the aromatic turmerone treated cells compared to untreated control cells, meaning obviously you do nothing to them, they sit around. The ones that they add aromatic turmerone to increased and proliferated, meaning making more. So, but the interesting part about it was this. When they used PET imaging and tracers to detect the proliferating cells, they found the subventricular zone, the SVZ, whatever, was wider and the hippocampus expanded. Real important part of the brain. Seems like everything like sugar and who knows what seems to shrink the hippocampus. But turmeric seemed to enhance its size. Expand the brains of rats injected, remember injection, not orally, with aromatic turmerone than in the control animals. So, what was incredible is the fact that not only did it help more cells proliferate, the body, through the addition of the aromatic turmerone, was able to form new neurons. That's what it means by differentiation. Proliferation, you increase more, blank copies, your body can do whatever with them. Differentiation, the body goes, oh, I know what to do with these blank cells, and they form the new neurons. Again, very promising, very intriguing. Do not know if it works orally or not yet, but this is just the beginning, and they have to repeat the study too before to have confirmation. Again, turmeric compound boosts regeneration of brain stem cells, published in the Stem Cell Research and Therapy, the September 2014. Pretty cool, pretty simple, non-toxic, very inexpensive. Thanks once again. This is Ralph signing off.